This city should be the birthplace of democracy, yet almost nobody remembers its name or how its bold experiment mysteriously vanished. If democracy began here, why did it disappear overnight? While Athens gets all the credit, Argos was the city where citizens truly ruled. Unlike its famous rival, here every free man, rich or poor, could vote directly on laws. But how did Argos pull off such radical equality when every other city clung to privilege? Why did their leaders risk giving power to the masses? It worked, at first. Argive democracy led to public festivals, rapid innovation, and a city that outshone its neighbors. But this newfound power stirred up enemies, both inside and out. Rival elites plotted against the assembly. Rumors spread. Was this order built on sand? Would outsiders exploit their freedom, turning democracy's greatest strength into its silent doom? Democracy gave Argos agility. New laws could pass overnight. Yet chaos often followed. Competing factions fought for every vote, and violence sometimes broke into the square. War was never far off. Sparta and Corinth circled, envious or fearful of the Argive experiment. Could this city defend democracy against a world ruled by kings? Enemy armies tested the city's resolve. Each attack rallied citizens to defend both their homes and their unusual freedom. But was this solidarity their secret strength, or a ticking bomb? As outside threats mounted, the city elders sent desperate messages to allies. Would they receive help or betrayal in the guise of friendship? Suddenly, the assembly met one last time, and never again. Why did democracy collapse so bitterly? Was it sabotage, defeat, or something far stranger? Some whispered the city's leaders betrayed their people, selling out democracy for safety. Others claimed a plot by enemies, a carefully crafted fall from within. But records suggest something less dramatic. After an invasion, citizens allowed new rulers in without a fight. Why would the people of Argos abandon their own freedom so easily? Most had simply grown tired. Years of infighting, fear of attack, and constant tension wore them down. Could democracy truly survive endless crisis? Even in ruins, hints of Argos's radical rule survived. Scratched out names, altered laws, attempts to erase the memory of what they'd tried. Modern archaeologists pieced the story together from bearing mosaics and broken tablets. Each fragment led to a bigger mystery. Was democracy's demise a warning or just fate? Historians still debate. Did Argos's system fail because of outside threat, or because humans struggle to share power long term? The answer remains elusive. Standing here, it's hard not to wonder, could democracy ever return after it vanished from Argos? Or is every experiment doomed to end the same way? Today, Argos is nearly forgotten, yet its lesson echoes. Our freedoms can fade quietly, dignity traded for an illusion of safety, if we stop watching. Where the world's oldest democracy vanished, we can now see how fragile freedom truly is. Argos dares us to question, how close are we to losing our own? We build societies on hope, but also on memory. To learn more about lost democracies and those that survived, hit like and subscribe. History's greatest warnings still echo through these stones.